संजय लीला भंसाली की लव एंड वॉर है काफी सुर्खियों में। वजह इसकी स्टार कास्ट जिसमें शामिल है आलिया भट्ट, रणबीर कपूर और विकी कौशल। And the three leading actors Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt and Vicky Kaushal have gone for back-end deals with Sanjay Leela Bhansali, with Ranbir Kapoor getting a lion's share as acting fees. Well, ये फिल्म अक्टूबर 2024 में जाएगी on floors and the makers have announced March 20, 2026 as its release date, which coincides with the festivities of Gudi Padwa and Eid. Reports की माने तो आलिया भट्ट and Vicky Kaushal have allotted bulk dates to Sanjay Leela Bhansali until the end of 2025, whereas Ranbir Kapoor will juggle it with Ramayan. और अब सोर्सेज से ये पता चला है कि संजय लीला भंसाली has inked a big non-theatrical deal for Love and War. Well, Love and War को खुद संजय लीला भंसाली ही करेंगे प्रोड्यूस with no studio partner. Sources की माने तो Love and War will be produced by Sanjay Leela Bhansali himself with no studio partner. SLB has decided to self-finance Love and War, opting for the model followed by studios like YRF and Red Chillies. Even before the film going on floors, he has signed a massive post-theatrical deal with Netflix and a near-record music deal with Saregama, revealed a source. The source further added that the base price for the deal with Netflix is rupees 130 crores with the scope to go bigger depending upon the box office performance. SLB has fetched rupees 35 crore music from Saregama, whereas the talks are going on for a satellite deal with a leading network in the vicinity of rupees 50 crores. The source shared the overall non-theatrical revenue for Love and War is expected to be in the range of rupees 215 crores, with the possibility of going higher based on the theatrical performance. Netflix has bought the film for a premium price due to the success of Heera Mandi. जहां वैसे तो कई स्टूडियोज ने 350 करोड़ का ब्लैंकेट डील पिच किया था टू संजय लीला भंसाली फॉर लव एंड वॉर, तो वहीं संजय लीला भंसाली has opted for a non-studio approach. The source added, the three leading actors Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt and Vicky Kaushal have gone for back-end deals with Sanjay Leela Bhansali, with Ranbir getting a lion's share from the set of theatrical revenue. SLB is looking to sell the global distribution rights too for a certain price, keeping the overflow share clause intact for himself ahead of the film's release. The theatrical rights share could act as the acting fees for the trio, as the non-theatrical rights have taken care of the cost of post-production. The source signed off saying that the production cost of Love and War is expected to be around rupees 200 crore, excluding talent fees, as SLB is mounting the film on a humongous scale with war sequences on the spectacle like never before. हीरा मंडी की सक्सेस के बाद से ही संजय लीला भंसाली का सितारा फिलहाल बुलंदियां छू रहा है और अब लव एंड वॉर से भी दर्शकों को काफी उम्मीद है। आलिया भट्ट, रणबीर कपूर और विकी कौशल भी अब बन चुके हैं काफी बैंकेबल स्टार्स और अब ये देखना रहेगा इंटरेस्टिंग कि बॉक्स ऑफिस पर ये तीनों कितना कलेक्शन कर पाते हैं।